Okay, so let us look at this question here. They're saying suppose the probability of A is 0.3 and the probability of B is 0.5 and the probability of A intersection B is 0.15, and then they are saying calculate the probability of A given B. Okay, so we know that the expression that we have here describes a conditional probability. Okay, so conditional probability, we know that it is given by this formula. So the probability of A given B is the same as the probability of A intersection B, and then we divide this by the probability of what? B. So what we are going to do here is get the value for the probability of A intersection B, which is 0.15. Then we're going to divide this by the probability of B, which is 0.5. Okay, so when you punch this into your calculator, you get 0.3. So this here is our final answer, and when we check on our options here, we see that it's on what? Option A. So option A, that's our answer there, and that's it for this video.